I was actually deep frying the things I put in because I went over and the let's just say the mic quality was kind of bad. But if you remember what we left off, we beat wave 10. But we gotta beat 11 now. 11 is gonna be a new challenge because kaboom! We need walls. We need to focus on walls. Um, you can have 40 weeks with upper walls. I have an idea for this. So we set up our like support thing. I think we actually need to go for it. So you're saying hi. Yeah, this, yeah, this is all we need. Um, and let me play this. Um, 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 so what happened at the start when I was trying to record before? I forgot I was on my alt. So let's see. I can add another support over there. Now the real problem is that we gotta build a wall. We gotta build them deep. We have little, yeah. Let me surround this area. Let's do real quick. My God, this. Oh no, I need to turn on. Okay. God, I was hearing too much fun. Now, so I tell you. Okay. Where should we put this? We do need it. Mine coin there. That's there. Barbecue. Yeah. Let's build. We don't need it too high. We just need it high enough. So it's like this. This will probably be. Well, we'll try it out. Hope I don't get hit. Mark here. I'm here. Okay, at least how good are you? Well, both people are 40. So I'm gonna have to be smarter. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, no, we're done. Yeah, no, we're done. Alright, but let's try 11. Oh. Ah! This headphone sucks. Oh. I hope you get this. Oh. They explode anyways, so. Wait, I can just. Alright, I swear. And we have like a pillar of ice, I guess. Well, alright, what should I live on now? This might help. Use these scars to get my ears. Oh, they hit the first piece. I shouldn't finish that. Can you kill the card? Maybe we have the strap to get the card. Jeez, that wiped out almost everything. Yeah, so I think point mine over here. Barbed wire over this one. Then pack over here, pack over here. What's up, brick, brick, blue, do this and then. Alright. This should help us with progress. I so how many little we get from the first combo? Please don't hit him up. Anyone get hurt? No one got hurt, we're fine. We gotta survive. Bruh. Yeah. That was another round done. You can not even AFK. Second on leaderboard again. Yeah, anyways. Okay, another gun for me. Down him! We're fighting fire with fire, bro. We're gonna pop them as they bomb us. It's in there. Yeah. Oh no! Okay, we'll just place them there. Damn. Oh no. I think someone has a 28 base. Let me go. Actually, no. Oh, that's that. Let's just go to 11. I think we can keep going in 11. Guys, if you can keep going in 11, then we're fine. Oh, we lag. I like them understand like, oh, I'm actually next to the hit. I might pause it first so I can get back to the kill. Yeah, let me do that. I'll do that first. Nah, I don't want to run. But, I was a little laggy. Yeah, I'm connecting. Why am I still lagging? What is in the server, bro? I might cut this some short for the scripting guys because last one, I was way too lagging. And the quality stuff. I gotta wait until I have some. Maybe I'll do a 2-in-1 video. I'll figure something out. Yeah, I heard that delay. We might need to disable effects. Tongue is that. I think we just potato mode. Save. Whoa. There we go. Way less laggy. Do we still say splurting? If we don't, then we might, yeah. On potato mode, good. I had not been potato mode forever. I look so goofy. I don't think this is funny. Yeah. You do this like, yeah. Need to see explosion. I just saw explosion. Let me do one again. Just to make sure. Okay, too graphic. Oh my god, that's way too low quality. Well, we can definitely hear it. Huh. And we definitely got hit. 11. We need to keep going. I can't go 7 after I try going 9 and we go 9 because I don't want to crash it. Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh my god, I'm blind. How am I winning performer? Rare chance. Yo, I don't know if you know this, but we denied German. We need more players. Oh, we have sandbags. Why am I not using those? We don't have enough weight. Let me just. This darn weight system. Okay, we're gonna add more weight. Okay, we already have so much more weight. Let's go. But anyway, what we need to do is maybe if we build lower, the drones will come lower. So what if we just build like one bale base, build base in the middle, close to the floor, and then build tower surrounding it. Yeah, first we need officer. Let's get you there. I'm just in that officer pushing dirt. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna build more. No, we're gonna build pillars more. Just like that. Let me get here. Okay. And I'll see you in the again. And then we're gonna have the transmission. The mine point definitely in Barbara, yeah. I think that's all we can really stay on this. We're like each strategy stuff. Yeah. Glue, 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 glue. And let's have a sandbag. Alright, that's already. I think now. 1, 2, other side. They don't have much. Wait, I don't. I want to be more mindful today. I think I'm ready. Almost ready. Nope. Let's try 11 for a test. Now we really know if we got hit though, because wait, you're here. We got hit. We just need the wall to go more. We just need that wall. Don't have enough walls. But if I just like add like a little umbrella on top. But you forgot the batteries. Battery. Yep, battery right there. Battery right there. Battery. Battery right there. Sandbag. Wait, what if we just take with sandbag loose, bro? Way stronger. No, that's a bear. And here. Yeah, let's try 11 now. We have an umbrella now. What's an umbrella what? 22. Yep. Our walls need to. We just need more walls. We just need more walls. Let me experiment with something. I'm hoping it's that the drone. The first one and then hit the second one. Something more. I mean, it's a way too much. Now we need strong ones. And there. North ammo. Gunslinger and gunslinger. Like this to make sure I don't die in the final task. Boom. 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 And there we go. Car battery. Car battery. Car battery. Find mine. Wait, let's try 11. Do not actually use like this iceberg. This stupid base works. I'm this goofy happening, bro. No way. We just went with a dust face. Yeah. Like as rubber soft. Let me expand it. I'm supposed to expand it. Mm. So then we can have everyone. Rubber. That makes like a well. Now, outward. Outside of the city. Okay. Okay. Now, this is a pretty sturdy base. Oh, none of them know. Oh, no. Like, oh no, you got it one dead time. I'm making the most random. Yeah, okay, so I can beat 11 now. can get like consistent thing on it in the video there. Yes, everyone. Where's this thing to? I think it's all good. Well, let's try 12. I know I'm gonna die this time. This challenge is so hard. I guess we need to go to grind 9. Ignore that. Nah. Like, I think we're gonna end it pretty short. Good. I'm getting tired. And I have no fun of Plus, the things I have on right now, so I just have to do the stuff. Just mostly stuff. I'll open a stone grenade. Gosh, perfect stone grenade. Grenade. Good. Good. Actually, I might answer this. Right. I was gonna spawn with you guys. Right. But I think I'm gonna end this one. So, oh, we got Hunter finally. That's nice. But, I'm sure this is just quality wise on my